Hi guys, welcome to on this channel. As I promised to start a new video series, so today is your first day. So our video will be more focused on the speaking confidently with smart phrases that make you sound professional and clear. You already know the basic English or you are the beginner, just you are learning. So its video will be very helpful for you. So today we'll start. Before starting, I wanted to say something because it's very important for you. Without this, you can't feel more confident. Whenever you started to speak, don't close your eyes just for some time and fully confident. Don't realize anyone in front of you and speak clear, calm, and purposefully. Normal speech. Don't hesitate. And second, regularly you build a familiar new idea, new sentences, so it will be very helpful for you. You become the familiar, more familiar. And even you want to take feedback from your friends, you can take. It's very helpful when you got feedback, so you can improvement. Otherwise you can write on your copy new sentences in different conditions, so it will be very helpful for you. And last, visualize your success. When you visualize कि after 30 days you become the fluent speaker, then how much you will be confident, and this is a motivation for you to speak fluently, to learn the English very professionally. It's very helpful for you. Most important tips of this video: stress the syllable. Understanding and correctly using stress syllable is essential for effective communication, because front guy will judge based on that how much your clear speech and how much you are engaging, because stress level give words their rhythm and help convey meaning more effectively. Pay attention to them, enhance your pronunciation, and where you need to more focus. So in this video I am using for this word, and here I am mentioning where you need to more focus while speaking this word. For example, clearly. Stress on the first syllable, which are already dark. Clarify, clarify. Second, honestly, honestly. Stress on the first level, honestly. And third, question. Stress on the first level, a question, question. Explain. Stress on the second level, explain, explain. So this is a forward you need to practice again and again. Then you will get the more clarity about it. So come on to today new phrase. So first phrase is let me clarify. Let me clarify. Let me clarify. So for that example is like that. Let me clarify what the client expected from us or from me. You can use. Let me clarify meaning means I wanted to explain clearly. Suppose that is a meeting is going on there, something you feel that audience is not able to understand. So that time you can say, let me clarify what I wanted to say in this way also. And to be honest, it means I wanted to be truthful. Suppose that your friend is asking how is your speaking course is going on. That time you can reply, to be honest, I'm thinking my speaking way is improving day by day. Even you can ask some question to your friend, how is my speaking. So your friend also can reply, to be honest, I'm thinking your English is improving day by day. So next, that's a great question. So it means you recognizing the question is a good and important. Suppose that I already told your friend ask this some question, so that time you can say that's a great question. Let me explain how is my course is going on. So that time you can use this type of phrase to appreciate the question. Another example, that's a great question about my next plan. I will explain later. And next, let me explain. It means I will give the detailed explanation now. Suppose that you are in meeting and you are feeling that audience is not able to catch your words and they are in a confusion state. So that time you can take time and say, let me explain why we need this thing. Let me explain how it will work. So if you explaining some flow or some presentation, so that time you can use let me explain phrase. It's very useful, you can use in your meeting or somewhere else. So now it's completed, we will go for the practice. At least two times you can speak these sentences, so it will be good for you. Stop, pause this video and speak each sentence for the two times. First sentence, let me clarify next step for going trip. Let me clarify the next step for going trip. Second, to be honest, I found a few error in the document. To be honest, I found few error in document. That third, that's a great question about the next plan. That's a great question about my about next plan. And the last, let me explain our plan clearly. Let me explain our plan clearly. Must keep in mind, you keep the stress and level. I already told to you, like clarify, honesty, question, explain. So thank you for watching. See you in next video. It's challenge for you. You make the new four sentence and comment in box. I will check and I will mention your name in coming video. Thank you for watching.